Minister of Public Works, Bishop Juan Edgehill, has instructed that immediate works be done to roads at Onderneeming Sandpit on the Essequibo coast. Minister Edgehill Sunday afternoon met with residents of the community who have been protesting the state of the road in the area, blocking trucks from entering for commercial purposes. The area is a sand and loam mining area, and residents blame the heavy laden trucks for the destruction of the road. They complain that the state of the road has been deplorable for some time, and during the rainy season it worsens. Over the past few days, residents have placed a blockade on the bridge leading into the village so that trucks cannot traverse. They also accuse truck drivers of taking advantage of other road users. While addressing the people, Minister Edgehill said the government is keen on addressing people's concerns all across the country once they are aware of the problem.
We will do an immediate maintenance to allow for residents as well as commercial activity to continue. The region will have to monitor what is happening on the road and occasional maintenance to ensure that it's possible until we could get mobilization and a contract and the rest of it awarded to get things moving on the road. That's the only solution that we have forward.
He noted that it is wrong to block any road, and this has affected other projects being executed. The residents agreed to move the blockage. It was also agreed that the regional engineers and the truckers will maintain the road as needed, while central government will continue to explore the possibilities of a capital project to complete the road.
I think we need to cool our heads. We need to get this community back to normal. And we need to get things moving again for tomorrow. So I expect the blockage to be removed this afternoon. Tomorrow morning, the machines must be able to come in, the trucks must be able to go in.